Cheapo here. Today we're gonna learn how to plug a punctured tire with cheap. Alright, look at this bullshit right here. Man, that's the fucking nail. Heard it go in, dead straight. Motherfucker. So, alright, try getting the flathead, you know, prying it out like that, but the head started to twist and break a little bit, which isn't great. So now I'm just gonna fucking dig in with the pliers, see what happens, see if I can get in there. Shit, look at that. It's a fucking screw. God damn. That sucks. No, I should have let all the air out of the tire, but you know, whatever. Just yank it out because you gotta score it anyway, right? Here we go. Motherfucker, look at that little piece of shit. Drop that over there so I can run over later. There's the hole. You can hear the air coming out. That's the screw out. Here we go. Then you get yourself one of these strings. Ta-da. Thread it through the eye of the, I don't know what you call that, threader? Close enough. There it is. Shove it in. Alright. Put it most of the way in. Now you twist it. Because you're trying to make a ball at the end of it on the inside. So now on the inside it's all twisted and then it comes out like that, so then you just want to yank it out. There you go. So you got a big old fucking knot of this gooey shit on the inside. And then just trim that off. Trim it right there. Get a razor blade, get whatever the fuck you want. Cheap ass knife. There it is. Cut it. You're fucking done.